Let's do a quick, and I mean super quick, unboxing of the new Wet n Wild Saved by the Bell collaboration that I just got in the mail. They sent this to me in PR and I kind of couldn't wait to take everything out and see what they had. And you can see it's a good sized collection. We had a brush trio in a plastic cell phone shaped case, setting spray, a mascara, 3 lip liner lip gloss duos, 3 new face duos that are a little highlight, little blush, little oh yeah, this one was really soft. But besides that, there's really a little bit of something in each of these trios for everybody. A little bit of peach, some berries, and some light bronzes. They also came out with some cute little accessories in this collection, like this, which at first I was like, what is it? And then oh my god, it's a little backpack! Then there's a Kabuki brush and an eyeshadow palette with a really nice selection of colors. I really love how all these look together.